morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, April 19th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
We have a few friendly Falcons today. Nikki in Miss Vitosh's room was nominated by Samari for making her turn a bad day into a good day. Kaylin was also nominated by Miss Vitosh's. Kaylin, also in Miss Vitosh's room, was nominated by Elenies because she is nice, helpful, and makes people laugh. Maria in Miss Wimpy's room was nominated by Cindy because she helped out a friend who needed it. Miss Gerard was nominated by Maggie for being nice and kind. Great job, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 73 and a low of 50.
Happy birthday to Randy in 5th grade, Kylie in 4th grade.
Happy birthday! Today is National Garlic Day. Today we celebrate the beloved topping known as garlic.
Today in history, in 1764, the English Parliament bans the American colonies from printing paper money.
In the headlines, doctors thought he would never walk or talk, but he got accepted into college. Kevin Major was born without part of his brain. Therefore, doctors thought he would never walk or talk, but now he sings, plays sports, and does many more things. Finally, he learned that the University of Knoxville, Tennessee has accepted him.
Today's fun fact is the CIA once tried to create spy cats.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Alexis, want to hear a bad cat joke?
Sure.
Just kidding.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Alexis.
And I'm Kayla. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.